So we start out today's video with someone who has long, wavy, thick hair. And she's going to be making a simple hair change that really adds a nice, subtle yet effective way to switch up your hairstyle, and that is with the look of bangs. And he does do a few layers to frame out the face, and he keeps her natural texture well intact. I absolutely love this hairstyle. She looks amazing. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be checking out a variety of hair transformations. So here we have the stylist going to be adding some color to his client's hair. So he does cut the hair shorter with this transformation as well. Oh, she ended up getting a pixie with highlights. Oh, this is gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. I really liked that cut, and the color just accelerated the look even further. So then we see someone with blonde hair, dark roots, and she ends up getting a beautiful bob. Gorgeous. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So moving on to the next transformation, she has hair just past her shoulders. And it looks like she has decided to dabble in the world of copper. Love the way that this looks with the curls. Such a beautiful color. And this, of course, is one of the hottest hair shades that we are seeing in 2023. So then we move on to someone who has shoulder length hair. She does have some blonde going there in the back. Wow, so she also chopped off all her hair and got a pixie style. I love it. Next up, we see someone with hair. Looks like she has a grown out pixie here. So the stylist cuts the hair, trimming it into a pixie style. Adding some bangs to the front. And there is the final result, short and sweet pixie style with some bangs. Beautifully done. So then we move on to the next one. So she has a pixie haircut as well. And she decided to freshen up her hair by going with this bright blonde color. Gorgeous platinum. Beautiful. And then we move on to the last hair transformation. So she does have like a bob style. Oh. So she ended up getting more of like a pixie bob. Very nice bangs in the front with this one as well. And then here is the full cutting session for that previous hairstyle. I really like the choppy texture that this has. It does play into that anime haircut trend that we're starting to see on TikTok. Very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of the hairstyles that were featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.